Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how to make this delicious French toast. To start, cut each slice of bread into 4 pieces or quarters. Do this for the full loaf of bread. Arrange these pieces neatly in an oven-safe container. Now that the bread is arranged, set it aside. Now it's time to make the mixture. First off, whisk together 8 eggs. Now add in 1/4 cup of white sugar. Now add 1½ cups of milk. Mix, mix, mix. Now add 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix until thoroughly combined. Once mixed, pour on top of your bread from earlier. Make sure each piece of bread gets covered with the mixture. Cover this and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Now for the glaze. First, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to 1/2 stick of butter. Now add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to this mixture. Add about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix until combined. It should be a liquid consistency. Remove your bread from the fridge and spread this glaze on top. Put this in the oven for 60 minutes on 350. Once that's done, take it out of the oven and test it with a knife. If the knife comes out clean, it's done. No, look how beautiful it is. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!